Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Can Ty Cook with answers always. Kind of. On today's episode, I'm going to be making a smoothie. Don't know what I'm going to be using, except I know that I will be using. I have a pineapple. So, just let's get started. So, for our smoothie, we're going to use pineapple. I've never cut open a pineapple by myself before, or even watched anyone else do it. But let's try this. We got this. I'm ready. I'm ready. Great. Now, pray for me, y'all. Wish me luck. Whew. Right? It says cut off this part first. Let's see. Okay, dry. Oh, I hope I didn't wait too long for this pineapple. Oh, such a pro. Put that on the top of its head. Cute. I smell it. I smell it. Oh, that's different. Never seen that before. There's supposed to be like a root at the top of the head. I don't know. Anyways, cut in half and then cut. Great. So, pray for me. Ooh. Almost got my finger there. Great. Oh, I'm doing an amazing job. Hold that together. Now cut on the other edge. Ooh. Ooh, it at least smells good. I'm about to be nice and healthy. This smoothie about to be good. Great. That's 4. Look at the 4 that they wanted. Look at the amazing. I'm killing it in this game. Amazing. I'm doing a great job, if I do say so myself. Now, it says cut around that part, yeah, around this, and then chop, chop, chop. So, I can do that. I can do that. Would love if this wasn't in the way. Great. I would love y'all to relax also. Take a breath. It's not like an avocado, but we're going to try it like it's an avocado. All right. Cute, cute. Doing what needs to be done. Okay. All right. And then that looks like a root. A root. It might be just a little tad bit old because I waited a long time to cut it. But that's fine, you know. Oh, I'm amazing. I'm perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect, but like I'm doing a great job at this, you know? I might as well taste this, you know, just. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. You are worth the effort. Okay. All right. I might as well take this one too, you know? For all my hard work. I'll be right back when this is complete. So, this is the end result. These pineapples are so good. I don't know if I want to waste it on a smoothie. At least the smoothie will be good, I guess. Hopefully, we pray. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what else I should put in the smoothie. I do have cut up, I believe it's cantaloupe. It's orange. Yes. I don't have coconut, but I have coconut flour. That doesn't seem like it should go in a smoothie. I do have almond milk, I believe, and ice. I do have ice. Honey. I also have honey, so we'll see how that goes. Off to the blender. Ooh. Okay, my finger's a little too juiced in order to snap, but we'll pretend like there's a snap. Come on. 1, 2. Great. So here's my blender. I'm going to start off with some pineapple, since we have that. Now, I'm not going to use all of it because it's really good, and just in case this doesn't come out well, not wasting it. Any parts that look a little browner, I'm just probably not going to add onto there, you know? I just want the softness. And it's definitely something you can do at home because I'm doing it at home. I'm setting myself as a standard for basic cooking. Basic, yeah. Now, my knife skills, we're not going to talk about that right now. But my cooking, I consider this cooking. Other people say something basic like, I make cereal. No, I make smoothies. Sexy. Yeah. Let's get the ones that aren't as cute in there. Gotta take the hard part out because ain't nobody trying to choke on no smoothie. This is so slippery. Like, I want to know how great my cutting skills are in the comment section below because grade A, top notch. 5 stars, not 4, 5. Oops. Okay, I can save all the rest of this for later. For when I want to chow down on some pineapples. Now, part 2. Cantaloupe. Sexy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not gonna say I'm good at basketball, but you see me. Ah! I guess that was 5, 6. That's good enough. And 1 for my mouth. Cute. Don't you just love being healthy? Next, I'm just gonna fry bacon. So time to add in my milk. For all you people out there who are lactose intolerant, I understand. I sympathize. I am one with you. Because a sister, me, have been struggling since elementary school with lactose intolerance. And once you know, you correct the behavior. Unless there's ice cream, then you eat it anyway. Here is my milk. Now, I ain't putting too much in here because this milk is for my cereal. And this smoothie isn't good. We're not wasting my cereal milk on a trash smoothie. Ooh, the angles. Wait a minute. Is that a lot of milk? I don't think that is. We're gonna add like a little bit more, you know? Milk. Now also, I think I'm gonna add in a little bit of honey just to add a little kick. That was kick, sorry. To add a little flair. Oh, honey, I'm home. All right, the honey hasn't been used yet, so I gotta open it out. That's cute. ShopRite honey. Oops. My depth of perception. All right. Cute. Got it dripping down the wrong side of the bottle. Still tastes good. Okay. Now, I feel like other people put in ice. Should I put in ice? I feel like water and milk don't really mix well together. So to add in ice would just suck. So I think I'm just gonna, you know, shake this. Blend. Liquefy maybe. Frappe. Ooh, I could frappe it. Interesting. But I said this was a smoothie, so we're gonna figure it out. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, let's make sure this lid is on tight because ain't nobody trying to have no accidents and a mess. And I'm going to blend. Looks good, I guess. It smells tropical. Okay. I made a lot more than I thought I was making. That's the thing. All right, so I'm going to try it out now. Okay, so I just want to say that the smoothie to me was nasty. It was gross. I didn't like it. Sludgy, slimy. Yeah. My mother liked it. It was healthy. So there's that. Will I be doing that again? No. But I'll try a different recipe. Maybe someone else's because mine didn't. See, I didn't understand because when I like try smoothies, it'll be like the mango, papaya, pineapple, and those are all good. So and then they use like some secret ingredient which is called like energy. I guess energy is flavor. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.